Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set up dynamic DNS, DDNS, in Windows systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Most home networks rely on dynamic IP addresses assigned by your ISP, which can change frequently. This makes it hard to consistently access your PC remotely, whether for file sharing, remote desktop, or hosting services. DDNS solves this by linking your changing IP to a fixed hostname. DDNS is especially useful for remote desktop, or DP, access to your Windows PC, hosting FTP or web servers from your machine, running game servers or custom services, secure SSH or VPN connections to your home network. How to set up DDNS on Windows. Here's a step-by-step guide using NoIP as the DDNS provider. Create a NoIP account and hostname. Go to noip.com. Sign up for a free account. Create a hostname, for example, myhome.ddns.net. Make sure to check Enable Dynamic DNS. Then click Next to generate a DDNS key, or click Cancel to use normal NoIP account credentials, username or email, password and hostname. This hostname will point to your current public IP. Download and install the NoIP DUC Dynamic Update Client. Visit the DUC download page. Choose the Windows version and install it. Log in using your NoIP credentials. If you're using DDNS keys, use all.ddnskey.com. Your DDNS key username and your DDNS key password. Configure the DUC. After installation, open the DUC. Select the hostname you created. The client will monitor your public IP and update NoIP automatically when it changes. Set DUC to run at startup. Open the DUC settings. Enable Start DUC when Windows starts to ensure it's always running. Configure Windows Firewall. If needed, open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow the DUC through the firewall, or create a rule if needed. Also ensure any services you want to access remotely, for example, RDP, FTP, are allowed. Testing your setup. Visit your hostname, for example, myhome.ddns.net, from another network. Try connecting via remote desktop, FTP, or whichever service you've configured. You can also ping the hostname from a command prompt, ping myhome.ddns.net. Alternative, router-based DDNS. If your router supports NoIP or other DDNS providers, you can configure DDNS directly in the router settings. This avoids needing the DUC on your PC. The router will update your IP automatically. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.